sobrang traffic. So, papasok na ako, papunta sa Makati Stock Exchange for our training. See you later. Ito na kasi yung part 2 ng Customer of Care namin, COC. So, makikita nyo, papunta pa lang ako sa 7th floor. So, of course, nag-elevator ako. And late na nga ako. Actually, dumating 8:30 na. Pero buti na lang, di pa sila nagsisimula. So, nung dumating ako, saktong nag-start na yung lecturer. So, yeah, see you there. And keep on watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and subscribe pa rin.
Unless kaya nyo magsiksikan sa isang maliit na mesa. If not,
Group 2 tayo.
because we're expecting 10 members per group. Okay, so we're expecting 10 members per group. Behavioral, motivational behavioral, and a bit of technical. Para meron pa rin tayong handle from where we left off last time in day 1. Sila, they're doing their best because they're all self-leaders. That's one thing that we want to see. And in the network, we want you to bring out your leadership skills. Iwan natin. Nag-aral ko ang healthcare in Philippines, healthcare in US. Tapos they all say the same. Healthcare to a patient and not to you, but to a patient is complex. Anong product? Anong procedure? Saan doktor? Sino ang doktor? Saan hospital? Saan clinic? Paano ang insurance? Paano ang health? Paano ang HMO? Paano ang PhilHealth? Ang dami nilang, alam niyo, ang dami nilang gustong alamin. It's very, very complex. In the morning, when you're supposed to wake up, you are already resisting happiness. Kasi you wanted to wake up at 5 a.m. Pero nag-alarm at 5 a.m., nag-choose ka ng 5 minutes, ikaw, ano yun, you're already resisting the happiness for you. Eh, nung sabi ko nga, panahon namin, ang alarm pala, hindi pwedeng snooze kasi wala namang phone nung araw. Talagang tutunog lang yan, o kaya iingay lang yan, na pinipihit yan, o kaya yung nag-digit na, gano'n lang yan. Eh, ngayon, ang dami ng snooze. Yung cellphone mo, 5 ang alarm. Every 5 minutes, uma-alarm. At ikaw, nag-create ka na ng neuroplasticity na yung brain mo na alam mo na, una pa lang yun. Bilang na bilang mo, di ba? Uno. Pangalawa. Diba? Hindi mo pa kaya na i-alarm. So, pinakadulo na lang, isa lang. You can have your discussion as well. Pag natapos sa discussion, just have free time. We will be back 10:40 for talk number 2. Thank you.
So, dito yung break time namin. Let's go.
Everyone, we have our snacks at the back. Please help yourselves now. Thank you.
And then we can have some coffee.
Tapos yun, sabi na nag-doctors siya. I-invite lang yung iba yung stand. Kakuli. Parang yung five. Oo nga pala naman siya.
Again, I will repeat, the rule of the activity is anytime you're ready, and if you want to achieve your goal, if you want that kind of leadership, you can walk anytime. Just go in there. Okay? Ha? Yes. Ha? Ikaw ay naman, tinapin nila. Go. Nagmamasid lang. Okay, nagmamasid lang. Okay, I hope shows genuine respect for others, goes the second mile, okay, in a TLC, tender loving care, tender loving customer service, demonstrates consistency, faithfulness, never stops improving, okay, and always gives 100%. According to him, this is the 11 qualities, and it helped a lot of people already in leadership. Now, I'm gonna borrow this part of my module from my wife kasi binigay ng asawa ko sa isang company about purpose and confidence. We tried to shuffle it and found out that the 11 qualities of a great leader is under capacity and character. Skills and your values. Napansin nyo, please attention, capacity yan. Doon sa second one, capacity. Character, respect for others, committed, gives 100%. Can everybody say capacity and character?
Capacity and character.
Kasi multiplier is capacity multiplied by character. Magkasama yan. Kasi yan ang impact mo as a leader. Yan ang impact mo as a COC. Impact mo when you serve your patients. Impact mo yan sa labas ng ospital o ng clinic. Impact mo yan sa markado mo. Impact mo yan sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo. Why? Capacity. Sabihin natin, ang galing-galing niya. Capacity is 10. Very skilled, knowledgeable. Husay talaga. Pero ang character niya zero. Ayaw siya katrabaho. Siya lang ang magaling. So ang impact niya, 10 times 0 is? Zero. Kaya kahit ang galing-galing, hindi mo makita. Diba? Hindi siya yung go-to person ninyo.
Family, finances, fear, failure, and focus.
Mas ready. But during that time, I'm provided. I'm blessed. Initially, what will happen? Resistance. Your mind, do you naman? Ganon. Left thumb, right thumb. Are you getting me? Neuroplasticity is happening. You're gonna change it. Lalim pa ako ng konti, ha? Sige, hindi ko yung oras. Lalim pa tayo ng konti. May kaibigan kami, traumatic, abuse. You know the conservative abuse? It goes back to the abuser because you want to have a different result. Kasi feeling mo problema, hindi siya. Feeling mo problema, ikaw. Ba't niya ako tinato ng gano'n? So they go back to the abuser and I hope I can get a different result this time. Pag inabuso pa rin ako pa rin yung problema. Kasi hindi niya ako na-respeto eh. Ang di mo makita, kailangan niya pumalis doon kasi problema yung tao na yun. Okay? So, the truth there is hindi siya dapat nandoon because you deserve respect. Okay? So, the thing is, you have to get now what is the truth behind the lie that is covering the lid, the cup, and blocking your confidence. If accessing it brings out emotion, let it be, ha? It's okay. It's okay. My confidence where I'm gonna serve you. Anong kailangan mo? I will give anong kailangan ibigay. Care, greetings, excellence. I'm gonna do that. And that's where your confidence comes. Pagpunta sa operating room, wala ka nang doon, control doon. Pero alam mo lang, basta alam mo lang, na-admit ko ng tama. Gets? Basta I-assure ko sa kanya, pag kailangan ng resulta, I can give the right result. I bring the right results and on time. There's now your confidence. Why? Because I am able.
Wow! Wow! Inasal, yempo, beef,
Kung sino steak, meron din po. Pero sabot nyo na. Okay.
Ayan na, mayroong inasal.
Let's start. It's okay to break for lunch?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Luz. Everyone, na-mention na yung food natin, so please help yourselves. And then later on, by the end of this program, may feedback form tayo. Kindly let us know kung masarap ba. Alam natin kung ulit or hindi.
Sorry. Habang hindi pa napabawasan.
May mga dips and sauces rin doon.
Dito tayo sa inasal.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Hindi na lang ako sa inasal.
Ito talaga. Tabangus ako. Tabangus.
Pork na liempo. Excuse me.
Sure. Anong ano?
Kain. I got it. Chicken inasal. Inasal. Okay, kuha tayo ng spoon and fork. Spoon and fork. Tadan. And
Toyo mansi. Asan?
inasal.
Ito na po ano.
Wow. Kuha nito. Tadan. And what's this one? Let's go. Dito na tayo kumain. Let's go. Ayan, dito na lang ako. Oh, diba? Let's eat. Ride ka rin mamaya. Angkas? Ikaw?
Either. Or MRT. Kasi Manila ako mamaya. Stress, no? Labas namin ang boyfriend mo.
Malungkot sila. They can express themselves. They inspire people, Max. Inspiring. Ikaw na. Diba? And you love to volunteer. But, yung mga taong high sanguine, because you love to volunteer, tatanong ako agad dito kaya hindi mo nag-volunteer ka. Kaya minsan di ka agad natapos ng iba. Sabi, good starter but bad finisher daw. You know why? Kasi hindi matapos ka agad dahil maraming kwento. Natapos naman. Pero they love talking. Okay? Ito, at times lang marami nag-agree sa mga very high sanguine. Nakakalimot ano ka pangalan mo? Kailan ang birthday? Kailan ang anniversary? Gano'n, di ba? Nakukuha na kwento agad. So yung iba naman, hindi naman lahat, tapos bigkas lang at times they get disorganized so late for appointments kasi nauna
Hindi rin.
Okay, dyan, hindi na dito, no? Hindi na, okay, ako nakakayo ko na ganyan ka na. Okay, oo. At ito hindi totoo to, pero ito, ang perception minsan, self-centered. Ask me why. Kasi babangka na naman kayo. So, ang tingin ng tao, sila na naman nagkikwento, sila na naman nagkwento. Hindi na ikinatuloy sa kanila kasi babangka. Sa mga high na, sanguine. At kakasundo ni sanguine. Bakit? Pag kinausap si sanguine, ang gusto si sanguine, kwento muna. Ang gusto ni choleric, anong kailangan mo? Diretsuhan tayo, ganon. Optimistic, people see you as a leader kasi nga, diretsuhan tayo, kilos action. And eto na, minsan ang choleric na tao, maybe meron sa inyo ganito, you must correct wrongs without judgment involved. Meaning, nagkakaroon ng conflict ang ibang tao sa high choleric, kasi si choleric, wala sa kanila yung, tingnan ko muna kung masaktan sila. Pwede na nilang mali, correct natin agad. Sa ibang tao, parang saktan ako, sinabi niya, sa kanya, wala yun. They just need to correct wrongs. It's a personality. Are you getting me?
Yes.
May mga ganun yung mga high choleric na tao, mga direct to the point. Ganun sa kanila Pubreno ka naman. Sa kanila, wala lang yun. Walang emosyon yan, walang ibig sabihin. Strong-willed, decisive, again, choleric, they know what they want, and thrives on opposition. Kaya nga pag kinausap mo sila, diretsuhan na tayo, may project tayo. Si choleric, let's do this. Ito gawin natin. As pwede niyo pag-usapan yan. Si Sam, may project tayo. Kagantuhan mo na kayo. Di ba? Ang weakness ng high choleric is this. May nakausap na akong high choleric na businessman. Temper. Kasi nga pag hindi mo, ang gulo mong kausap, ano nga ba? Diretsuhan tayo. As hindi kayo magkatagpo, temper. At times people find you arrogant and abrasive. But again, just simply must correct wrongs. Ito. Ewan, kasama sa study Pero kung na pa, yung kausap ko na kay choleric, sabi sa akin, sige, upo na kayo. Dapat naman choleric natin na nakasama dito. Look at the size.
Ito yung
Ganito
second
kami
ko sa
mag-isip, ha?
mataas.
Kami na nag-isip, yung inisip namin, isipin pa namin.
Yes.
Seriously!
Totoo.
Totoo! What's the plan? This is the plan. Nagsabit ako ng plan. Pag uwi ko, tama kayo sabit, sinadjust ko na plano. It happens. We think a lot. Tapos yung sensitive to others
Totoo.
natin, mataas
So,
yung
second.
perspective.
Kaya second
Pag
ko
uwi
yung
ko,
minangkol.
nakasakit ba ako? Hindi kaya namin yung kakasabi ko sa kanya. Thinkers.
Yeah,
We are thinkers.
thinkers. True.
And we are prone to criticize others based on the standard we created. And easily gets depressed at times kasi hindi mo makuha yung gusto mo. Hindi ka makalet go. Hindi tayo makabitaw na gagawin na ganito. Di ba? Project. Choleric, let's do this. Sanguine, kwentuhan man na tayo. Melancholic, analyze niya kung anong gagawin. Nung araw, sino po umabot sa Manila paper dito? Taas po ang kamay, Manila paper sa project. Ang mga sandwich tulad ng yan, direct to the point ng kulit. Ang melancholic, itutubi ang Manila paper para may guhit. Para pantay.
Pantay.
Melancholic. Details.
A few moments later.
May cinnamon in my ensaymada. Oh! Wow! Cinnamon. Cinnamon in ensaymada. Wow! Ensaymada.
May coffee na ulit.
Sarap ng merienda.
Ito may
So, ito naman yung PM snacks namin. Cinnamon and coffee ulit para mawala yung antok. Ayan. So, ayan. PM snack namin. Tchanan! Let's take a break.